Good evening. Today I'm going to show one new OS. It's an Endeavour OS. It's based on Linux distribution and Arch Linux. It is rolling release distribution, which means it provides a constant stream and of updates. Endeavour OS offer both online and offline installation option. So here we can use online option and also offline option. So it aims to be spectacular successor to Antergos, offering a pre-config desktop environment and easy step setup. So now just we'll open it and we'll see for features and all. So it combines the freedom of Arch Linux with more user friendly, and EndeavourOS offers simpler installation via. Now I'll just open a Google Chrome and I'll type EndeavourOS, and here we can see Endeavour. See, here we can see EndeavourOS terminal-centric distro with vibrant and all. So it required 2.5 GB of RAM. So here magnet download, I'm just clicking on it, and here I got an ISO file Endeavour, and now I am going to download Rufus, because for every bootable pen drive we required Rufus. I just open new tab and type there as Rufus, and here screenshot appeared Rufus, and now we'll scroll it down and just will scroll down, and we'll just check for the latest releases. And here you can see Rufus 4.3 exe standard Windows x64, 1.4 MB is there, Rufus portable is there, Rufus. I just download it, and here I inserted 16 GB pen drive in Rufus, and ISO image I just drag and drop in Rufus. And here start option is there. I'm just starting OK and yes, downloading OK. Whatever pen drive data is there will be erased. So before inserting pen drive, you could just make sure to copy your data of pen drive in some other device, then only insert your pen drive. If not, your data will be vanished. And here we can see my bootable has been completed, and I just restarted my system, and here you can see Rufus installation booting has been started after restarting my system. Dual core processor, 16-bit x86 AMD 64 required, and here 15 GB of hard drive space must be there. So here we can see connection system setting is there, and here Endeavour Galileo has been started. Screen you can see welcome 3.78 screen. How beautiful this screen is there. And here we can see configuration. I'm going to give my Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect my Wi-Fi. We have to connect our Wi-Fi and all. I connected to my internet, and here we can see live user, system, setting, office, multimedia, and Firefox I opened. And here we can see some features, and open an amazing internet setup in seconds. Skip this step. Skip this step. Skip this step. Start browsing. Firefox I opened, and I just now I'm going to close, and here see, these many features are there. So if you want to download it, just download and check for all the features and all. Hope this video is good. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.